Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello Prof. Madya Technologist Dr. Seo Tawi. We are from Group 1. We would like to present our group assignment, which is for subject BPD 35003, Construction Safety and Health Management, Section 2. Without further ado, let me introduce my group members. The first one is me, Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Hairizan, AP 190134. Muhammad Izzuddin Syamil bin Osman, AP 190329, Muhammad Afiq Imran bin Abdillah, AP 190278, Muhammad Shuaib bin Samsir, AP 190153, Nur Khalila binti Syafi'in, AP 190075, Muzaffira Muni binti Murianto, AP 190179, Nur Sharifah binti Yusuf, AP 190256. Introduction, which is my part. I will explain for introduction. The first is occupational safety and health were a multidisciplinary field concerned with a workplace safety, health and welfare. Occupational health and safety OSH are another name for it. In terms of safety, the construction industry has a higher risk of fatality than the national average. Safety and health has developed a complete set of safety regulations, a construction safety digest, and safety training guidelines. Safety should be a top priority of all sites. To keep workers safe, corporation must maintain construction safety. A safe working environment is required, as are all safety and health regulations. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sharifah binti Yusuf. My metric number AP190256. I will present the methodology. In methodology, we have the literature review, which is it will determine all the materials that will be used and investigate the objective in the safety management procedure. And after that, we have the interview. In interview, all the data will be gathered from the interview session, and from there the interview by the professional, it will gain the knowledge. Next is questionnaire, the survey, which is will be detailed on the research about the survey and gain the specific information. Last but not least is analysis the result. It will analyze the whole result, and it will investigate all data. So that's all from me. I will pass it into the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin Syamil bin Osman. My metric number is AP190329. Now, I will continue this presentation to present about our case study discussion. So, for the first company, the name of our first company that we have been interviewed is Buildland Technology Sdn Bhd. So, Buildland Technology Sdn Bhd, or BLTSB, is a 100% Bumiputra construction contractor and provides specialized building, residential and structural repair services in the state of Pahang. They also provide architects and structure for design tasks, as well as supply and retail of construction materials and raw materials to construction companies. BLTSB is a CIDB G7 contractor or a G7 class construction contractor. That is the background of the company. Next, the practice of the company towards OSH. The first one is keep things clean. Number 2, from the beginning, make sure that safety procedures are in place. Number 3 is organize regular safety meetings at the workplace. And last, to encourage safe behavior, they reward the employees. This is the challenges to implement OSH for the company. The first one is organizational structure. Number 2 is the teamwork. Number 3 is the funding and logistical constraint. And 4, time management. That is the challenges for Buildland Technology to implement OSH for their company. And this is the suggestion from company representative on how to further increase the level of OSH at the construction site. The first one is conduct daily site inspection. Number 2, training. Number 3 is proper equipment inside. And last is innovation of occupational and safety. So that's all from me. Next, I would like to pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muzaffira Muni binti Murianto, and my metric number is AP190179. Next, I will present about the next company, that is YTL Construction. First, The introduction of YTL Construction. YTL Construction, formerly known as Syarikat Pembinaan Yoh Tiong Lei, is currently a full-service construction company that provides services ranging from a concept and design through construction and fit-out. With completed and ongoing projects in the UK, France, Japan, Australia, South Africa and Papua New Guinea that have a strong presence in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia and Thailand. They have built power plants and railway lines, schools and hospitals, iconic high-rise structures that define a city skyline and villas that redefine luxury. Next, I will present about practices of the company YTL towards OSHA. First, make sure employees have the right tools and have regular equipment inspections. Second, have regular meetings on workplace safety. Third, operate by the specific rules. And fourth, identify hazards. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Nokarila binti Syafiin. I will continue to present about challenges to implement OSH for the company. First, inadequate skilled personnel. 2. Delay in delivery for justice. 3. Lack of innovative OSH implement strategies. 4. Inadequate OSH regulation standard and policies. Next, suggestion for company representative on how to further increase the level of OSH at construction site. First, risk must be identified, assessed and managed. 2. Manage incident and injuries. 3. Monitor, review and improve. And lastly is consult workers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi to Dr. Tawi. My name is Muhammad Afi Imran bin Abdullah, metric number AP190278. I will continue the company for Jaya Kuasa Berhad. For the background for this company, Yang Berbahagia Datuk Jugra Setia Diraja Tang Kok Hua, also the founder of Tang Kok Hua Construction Sdn Berhad, create Jaya Kuasa Sdn Berhad on the 30th of February 1980 as a CIDB G7 Civil Engineering, Construction, Development, Service and Investment firm. Since its start, Jaya Kuasa Berhad has completed various construction, civil and infrastructure project, and the firm is led by a team of experts that are devout, competent and experienced. The firm is honored to have complete more than 30 structures, including commercial structure, schools, hospital, corporate complex and residential project. Next, the practice of company Jaya Kuasa Berhad toward OSH. First is making commitment. The second one is planning. Third one is implementation and operation. And last one is measuring performance. Next, I will pass to next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you for the previous presenter. I will continue the presentation about the challenge in order to implement OSHA for the company. So the first one is the lack of awareness among the workers, where most of the workers are not aware and take granted for the jobs that they are doing. The second one is poor participants in safety committee and programs. This happened due to when the company are organizing safety programs and talk, most of the workers are avoid and not attending the programs by giving excuses to avoid the programs. So the third one is the improper supervision due to the poor coordination among the practitioners, inadequate management skills, and lack of motivation among the supervisors. And the last one is the business strength, where the company reduced the number of maintenance for the machines, and they bought cheap PPE in order to make some profit. Next is suggestion from company representative on how to increase the level of OSH at construction site. The first one is proper training and briefing before the work and the project being conducted in order to create a safe environment for the workers. The second one is to evaluate and create risk assessment to make sure that the workers and other participants are aware of their surroundings and aware of the hazards that may occur during the project. The third one is adapting with technologies so that the technologies can be applied and help to reduce the accidents and exhaustion for the workers when they works using technologies. And the last one is proper tools for the right job. This means that for every job that being executed, the workers need to use appropriate tools and equipment in order to create a better quality of their work. And it also can create a safer environment for them and the others people that are involved in the project. So I will pass the presentation on to the next person. Thank you for your time.
Last but not least, in conclusion, occupational safety and health are concerned about the correction, promotion, and maintenance of workplace environment. Finally, they need to improve and contribute any innovation idea for the construction development. Thank you so much.